This is our project, Gerrymander.
So, what is gerrymandering? Gerrymandering is the process of redrawing congressional district boundaries to favor a certain party. And the two methods of doing this is cracking and packing. Cracking is when the opposition party is split up so they no longer hold the majority in a district. And then packing is when the opposition party is bunched together into one district so the other districts do not have that opposition party as a majority.
Cracking and packing are not always the most optimal ways to gerrymander, however. And so we set out to make an algorithm that will optimally gerrymander state. And so while most politicians are trying to find ways to move away from gerrymandering, we thought it would be funny to do the exact opposite and have a state be perfectly gerrymandered.
Okay, so how it works is we have a graph of counties or precincts, and those have data inside them, such as their population, what percent Democratic or Republican they are, their district, which we'll fill in later on, and so on. And we have two algorithms that will group these counties or precincts into districts. And these algorithms will make sure that they only group together counties or precincts that are adjacent to each other. So since like that is one of the requirements for redistricting, and we have two algorithms. The tortoise algorithm is an optimal algorithm that explores basically every possible district combination and chooses the best one, but it isn't very fast, as you can imagine. And then the hare algorithm uses like a packing strategy that we mentioned earlier. So it starts with the district or it starts in the precinct with the highest concentration of opposition, and it will add the next highest and so on.
Okay, now for a demonstration of the project. So there's a few different files that come in our project. The one you want to run is called server.java. And so you click run and it outputs 8,000. And so you'll want to go to localhost 8000 in your browser. And it will bring you to this map of Oregon, which is the state whose data we decided to use. So we use the 2020 election data from Oregon's counties as our list of data for redistricting the state. And up here, you can set your options for how you want it to be gerrymandered, whether you want it to be for the Democrats or the Republicans, and which algorithm you want to use. And so you click submit, and it will output the list of districts. Oregon has 5, and who's winning that district by how much. And then here you can see the graphical representation of the gerrymandered districts. And you can run it again for a different party, and it will output the new set of districts. And as you can see, because of the way we represented it, Oregon's territorial claims have extended into Northern California and Nevada, which is a problem we may want to solve in the future. And if we were to continue on the project, what we would probably do is have it draw the actual boundaries of the district on the state rather than just the rectangular graphical representation that causes it to happen. But for now, this is our project. Thank you.